Good evening. This is the first chance I've had to even do a video today. I've been so busy at my W-2 job, but also this morning started really crazy because right when I woke up, I got a call from a potential home buyer in Arkansas. They're 2 hours ahead. So I wake up at 5 o'clock and I'm already getting calls about people that want to see properties. This lady was different though, and I started doing a little bit more of a vetting process. I ask a few questions just to kind of get a feel for what the situation is. I say, do you have a family? Do you have kids? Do you live alone? Are you good with a hammer? Do you have anyone in your family that is a handyman that'll be able to do repairs? Spoke to this one lady today, and she said, look, my son sent me a picture of this house that you have listed and I'm really interested. I said, oh, that's great. It's for you. She sounded like an older lady. Actually, no, it's not for me. It's for my older brother. He needs a place to live. He's currently living with my daughter down the street, and we're really just trying to get him his own place. I'm going to have to sign the lease because he has really bad credit. And I said, well, a couple things. One, this isn't a lease. This isn't a rent to own. This is a straight ownership. Once you come with a down payment, there's no credit check, no background check. You will own it. And she said, oh, there's no credit check. And I said, that's right. Free to put it in your brother's name. I'm not going to run his credit. I'm not going to do a background check. You don't have to be involved in the deal at all other than to be a cheerleader on the sidelines and just be there and say congratulations when he becomes a first-time home buyer. People that buy the houses are very decisive. They don't dick around. They were at the house within an hour. They didn't like that one. So then they went to one of my other ones, 4116 West 25th Street. And immediately she's like, that's great. We want it. My agent, Lee Smith, is texting me because she was there. These guys are going to be good. These guys are going to be buyers. They're really into the house. That was it. They sent me a copy of his ID. They sent me an email. That's all I need. I write up the agreement. I email it for approval. They're going to meet with Lee tomorrow morning at her office with the down payment. So fingers crossed. Obviously, a lot can happen between now and then, but I just thought it was really cool because they didn't try to negotiate. They didn't go back and forth. They're really excited. And that's when it starts to feel good, when you know you're providing an opportunity to someone that needs it. This lady's brother needs a place to stay. He wants a place of his own. The guy's at least 65. And, he doesn't want to be living with his niece. He wants his own spot. He couldn't find a place because he had bad credit. So with Loan and Own, when we say we're providing affordable housing for families that would never qualify for a traditional mortgage, sometimes it's a family of four that have two teenagers, and it's the first time their kids are going to have a room to themselves. Other times it's a single older gentleman that's never owned his own home, that has poor credit and just is looking for a place to lay his head at night. Either way, there's all sorts of people that need housing. They need affordable housing, and they don't want to jump through hoops to provide bank statements, paycheck stubs, credit reports, background checks. Anyway, if you follow me and you want to create generational wealth for yourself and your family, but you also want to do good and help communities and build up neighborhoods, just leave info in the comments at my quick 15-minute web class that'll explain all about what I do and how you can do it too. Info in the comments, and I'll shoot that over to you. Thanks.